When it comes to tricks, timing is the most important factor. And now is the golden chance. Use 2 double-sided tapes to stick on the ground. Then peel the paper off and put the slippery on them. It's time to wake Hannah up. We can really guess the result, right? And now it's the battle between Mayo and SH. You think you're on the same level with me? I don't want to play anymore. I want candy. What a rich boy. His chocolate also looks different. Can I have a bite? In your dream. When you become specialist, then it's time for some actions. Oops! What to do now? Should I use the tongs to pick it up? That's not right. Coming, coming! Sure can hit it. Whew, I almost died. He can produce music with the eyes shut. But the best boxer. Wow, where did you learn this? Oops, with this talent, Hannah must need a raincoat. Great, it's like river here. I'm mad. When Bun is busy fixing, it's time for the trick. Look at my power! Are you really blind? That hurts. Come on, please don't be mad. I should go and change the mood there. Here, take it. Don't need to thank me. Hey, I've got presents for you. Please forgive me. What's this? You want to die? Love is innocent. The fog lights are now best friend. Oh no, I dropped it. Are you falling in love with me? Sorry, I only fall in love with money. You really think too high of yourself. Things are great when we first start a relationship.
Nope.
Everything is romantic and beautiful.
I love you, baby.
1 month later, it's still pink here, right? 6 months later, go away if you cannot bear me. 1 year later, no place for love now.